Hi everyone, so before this video starts, I want to show you the first focused image taken from the James Webb Space Telescope, which means the Space Telescope has aligned its mirrors. This image is an image of a star in the constellation Ursa Major, located 241 light years away from us. The other stars in the background aren't even stars. The James Webb Space Telescope is so powerful to aim that even the distant galaxies are shown. So we can continue to the video after the cool news. Hello everyone, welcome to another video, another celestial tour. As you remember, I uploaded a video called Sounds of Space before my 6-month break on uploading videos on YouTube. I decided to make a second part of that video. In this second part of the Sounds of Space, the sounds will come from the lightning of Jupiter, rings of Uranus, rings of Saturn, Ganymede, Io, Titan, and Supernova 1987A. Also, quick note, some of these recordings may be only 10 to 15 seconds, but it took 10 to 15 years to make the sound for some. So, let's hear these magnificent, majestic, funny or creepy sounds of space a second time. So, I hope you guys listened to these sounds carefully and thought about the mysteries of our universe once again. And I may probably take a 1-month break again, and the reason for that will be studying. And you realize after I uploaded the video Sounds of Space Part 1, I took a 6-month break. I hope the same thing doesn't happen again, because it was the summer break, which I could have used the chance, and the only videos I did that time were the channel trailer and Sounds of Space Part 1. So between June and August, there will be a lot of videos coming, so stay tuned. And of course, stay astronomical.